sea animals. Hello everyone, my name is Krabby. Krabby because I am a crab. Do you know what? I'm going to introduce you all the sea animals. Are you ready?
Hello? Hello? Is someone there? Hello?
Oh, hello, my friend. Thank you so much for helping me for introducing all the sea animals to our friends. Look who is here. Yes, here next to me. It's the starfish. 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 All right, I'm going to introduce you the next animal. Do you know its name? It's a dolphin. Dolphin. Yes, that's right. They are dolphins and they are so friendly. Are you ready to find more sea animals? Okay, so give me 5. I just want to sit down for a while. I am so relaxed. Do you know the name of these animals? This is a turtle. Turtle. Oh, look! This is a jellyfish. 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 Wow, this is absolutely amazing. Look at this fantastic view. What's going on? Krabby, we have to run. Let's go. Oh dear, look at them. They are so big. And to be honest, I'm really scared. This is a shark. 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 And they are very dangerous. This is a squid. 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 Oh, I love it. I enjoy it so much. They are so colorful. Oh, this is the Crabbies family. They are crabs. 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 We have in here his mother, father, sister, and brother. This is an octopus. 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 And this is a shrimp. 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 I love this animal. This is a seahorse. 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 This is a clam. 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 This is a seal. 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 The seals live in the cold ocean waters. This is a whale. 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 These are the largest animals on Earth, and they live in every ocean. Most of them are highly social, and they often travel in groups. This is a stingray. 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 Stingrays are the most beautiful creatures in the sea. They come in all shapes and sizes. But let's face it, they are a little bizarre looking, don't you think? This is a lobster. 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 The lobster's voice, it's a crackly noise. Some people compare to violins. This is a clownfish. 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 And this is a surgeonfish. 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 Review. Starfish. Dolphin. Turtle. Jellyfish. Shark. Squid. Octopus. Shrimp. Seahorse. Clam. Sail. Whale. Stingray. Lobster. Clownfish. Surgeonfish. And here you have 8 small flashcards that are available for you to buy on Teacher Pay Teacher website. I leave the link in the description box so that you can find it easily. So we finish here. Thank you so much for watching. The final mention, don't forget to subscribe and to hit the notification bell. And see you next time here in my channel. Bye for now.